Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to make some great grilled tilapia on your Weber grill. Now, two different ways you can get this done. Number one, cast iron skillet, or number two, that Weber roasting basket. The cool thing is the process is the same for both of them. Now, today I'm going to show you how to use that roasting basket for a couple reasons, right? It's a little bit lighter, and yesterday was arm day, and this is a lot lighter and easier to move than big, huge cast iron. Let's get cooking. Now, I know what you're thinking. Hey, I don't have the Weber crafted system and I don't have the Weber crafted roasting basket. What can I use? Tell you what, your handy dandy cast iron skillet will work amazingly as well. Follow the same process. Preheat the grill, add your cast iron, preheat your cast iron, you're ready to cook. Okay, first thing we're gonna do before we get the grill fired up, we're gonna take our grill grate out so that we can go ahead and add our Weber crafted roasting basket into the Weber crafted frame kit. We'll go ahead and turn on burner number one. We will hit ignite, wait for that to go. Burner number two, hit ignite. Also burner number three, and hit ignite. Now, if you have a sear zone, go ahead and turn that sear zone burner on. That'll be perfect, giving us even more heat right over that Weber crafted. But if you don't worry about it. 3 burners will do an amazing job. But since we have a sear zone, turn that one on too. All right, we've got the Weber roasted basket in. We're gonna close this now. Drive temperature today to 450 degrees. Now, once it hits 450 degrees, we're gonna hold and maintain it there and let this preheat for about 10 minutes. That'll make sure that Weber crafted roasting basket is ready to go. Okay, we just hit 450 degrees. Now, as you can see, because I have this sear zone, look at how I've adjusted those dials. That will help me maintain that 450 degrees. But like I said, if you don't have a sear zone, use all 3 burners in conjunction with each other to maintain 450 degrees. All right, let's talk through today's ingredients. I'm starting with some tilapia fillets that I got from my local grocery store. Now, they did come frozen, so I left them in the package on a plate, nice and covered, and let them defrost overnight in my refrigerator. Now, we are good to go. You know, we have a lot of different rubs and seasonings available at your local Ace. Today, I'm using some of that Korean barbecue from my friends at Spiceology, and that is going to give this just a rich soy sauce kind of umami flavor because I'm gonna add a little bit of citrus to this as well. So we'll add that Korean barbecue rub. We're gonna oil it up just a tiny bit, and then today we're gonna finish it with a little bit of lime, a little bit of lemon, and some fresh butter. Super easy, super simple, but we're making pretty solid fish. All right, we have the tilapia fillets all laid out. What I'm going to do quickly is very lightly oil these down and just get these guys coated real nice to help act as a binder and a release agent. That oil will do a great job helping the rub stick. It'll do a great job releasing from the Weber crafted kit as well. So we'll go ahead and season these lightly and we'll flip it over, do the same thing on the other side. We are holding steady at 450. Time to go ahead and load fish. Now, if you want an extra insurance policy about having fish thick, I'll just go ahead and lightly oil my roasting basket, and that will help release the fish as well. So here's what we're gonna do. Very carefully, we'll add fillet number 1, fillet number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. We're gonna go ahead now and close the grill and let these cook. So carefully, using the delicate spatula, we'll go ahead and give these a flip real quick and cook them until they are finished. What is finished, you ask? 145 degrees is going to be our doneness temperature today. All right, we'll close the lid. We're gonna let them go for another 3 minutes on the second side. All right, very carefully using that Weber snap check, and we are at 148, so we are good to go. We'll go ahead and get these off. I'll see you in the kitchen. All right, we are done off the grill. So what I like to do is add a little bit of butter on here, and then look at that, little squeeze of lemon on there. We'll lay that in the back. Little squeeze of lime. Oh, so perfect. Not bad at all, right? Fish in 6 minutes on the Weber grill. That is super helpful. Hey, speaking of super helpful, stay tuned because coming up, I've got more amazing videos showing you how to use that Weber crafted system. Oh man, cheers.